What's going on, guys? So today I got a really unexpected, unusual package. So it says fortune cookies. I don't remember ordering fortune cookies, but it has my name on it. It has my address. So only way to find out what it is by opening it. So fail. There we go. Okay. So it says handle with care, and it says fortune cookies. It's weird. Oh. They're not fortune cookies. So they're my transparent shoe boxes. I was about to say, I was like, wait, fortune cookies. There we go. No fortune cookies. Thank God, because I was like, wait, I don't even eat fortune cookies. But yeah, so this is what we got. So these are transparent shoe boxes, basically the ice boxes. But that was just like a little unboxing because I was like, wait, fortune cookies? But I want to talk to you guys about how you can start a business with under $2,000. So I recently, basically yesterday, I started my business. So basically I'm gonna be making shirts, I'm gonna be selling them online. I'm gonna be posting shoes as well. So I'm gonna be selling shoes, I'm gonna be making hats, I'm gonna be doing all that. Everything will be prepped and shipped by me, so please support me and share with your friends and family. So first thing I did is get my LLC. That's my limited liability company. Second thing you need to do is find a web designer. But what I did is I went on Wix.com. It's like a website where you can create your own website. So I'm paying for the premium plan for the e-commerce website. So that's so you can accept payments and sell product. Third thing you need to do is promote. Promote as much as you can and make sure your friends or like ask your friends to share, because that's big help. So enough with that. Those are just like 3 things, I guess. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends.
I be fresh as fuck when I hit the scene. Everybody know me. 40 tuck in my skinny jeans. I'm so fucking low key. All hundreds finna go get some cream. This another show week. It's a show week out the 7 days. I gotta pick up 40.